Today I am going to get the answer for the question number 1. What is the question number 1? Right. What is the force required? What is the force required to give an acceleration of 2 meter per square second to a 5 kilogram mass? Right. It means, right, there is an object like that. The mass of this object is 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram. In this question asked from us, what is the force required? What is the force required to get the acceleration of 2 meter per square second? No? 2 meter per square second. It is the most easy question. Right. Mass of this object is 5 kilogram. In this question asked from us, what is the force that should be supplied? What is the force that should be supplied to get the acceleration of 2 meter per square second? What is the equation used for this? To get the answer for this question, if not to find the force, we should use F is equal ma. F is equal ma. F mean force, M mean mass, A is acceleration. Right, we have to calculate the force, F. What is the mass? Mass is 5 kilogram, no? Mass is 5 kilogram. Acceleration is 2 meter per square second. Acceleration is 2 meter per square second. Right, now we can take the answer for this question. Right, 5 times 2, what is the answer? 5 times 2, 10. Units. Here contain kilogram, here contain meter per square second. Right, and also, right, we know that normally unit used to measure the force is Newton, no? The unit used to measure the force is Newton, right? So the kilogram meter per square second is the similar units for the Newton. If not, Newton is equal kilogram meter per square second. You must keep remember, right, when you are going to solve the like that question. Right, now we got the answer for the question number 1.